For years, I was bothered with this leg, this hip. What give me trouble.
Okay.
For years. We got Dr. Pantapa, Dr. Pantapa, Doctor. The leg, when it's ready, you feel like a pretzel twisting around. Just twisting around. And any position that I am, the pain hold me.
Yeah.
I have to stay in that position. If I'm sitting down and the leg, the pain hold me, I have to stay there. So when I stand up, I have to hold the. And it just twisting and you just feel the pain and walk down the leg.
Ooh.
And it just, in the winter, summer, spring, every season, it just hold me anytime. And me take medication, part of medication, so till one of them give me hives. And it was the first time I figured what hives was when I wake up one night and did not know myself. My face was just swollen and just bump all over me, scratching. And so I heard Austin on the radio, and I heard a woman say, some big shot to me, she worked somewhere downtown, you see some big hospital downtown.
Yeah.
I said nobody could help her. She had pain, similar pain, and she went to specialists on top of specialists, and for thousands of dollars nobody could help her. She took NuSpecies, and she said just like that she get help. And I said no man, something not right. Me have to see what I want, something not right. And my mother keep telling me NuSpecies, me people like that, but then me hear it too. And so we decided to come and try it, and I tried it. I started it a week ago. That was like what, 7-8 days ago. The first time I take it, normally my leg hold me at the end of my working shift. You hold me when you're ready, but most often it's the end of my working shift. You hold me. I mean, if you just stop and stay, sometimes I can't drive. If you make she go take the wheel, because it's in my right leg and I'm right to use to drive. So me notice say the pain not touch me. Me not say nothing to her because me don't want to say nothing too soon and then it got change. So me not found with them, they smile to myself and me say but wait. Me really wake up, but wait, me pitch myself to see if me they sleep, to see if I really real. Because I flash me leg back and forth. Normally me lie down in the bed, sometimes me just feel the pain hold me. Me in the bed I exercise and if me jump off of the bed, me move up and down, me say me don't feel no pain. Very rarely since me start taking the 8 days, me feel it touch me one time, little bit.
Yeah.
Just touch like you want to come, but the NuSpecies block him off. I take the detox, he give me the detox, and he give me the anti-inflammatory, calcium, and the MSM. And I was supposed to come from last week, but I got tied up doing something because I wanted to come to tell you guys how good it has been doing for me.